going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan, back with another review for you guys. As you guys can see, we got the Air Jordan 1 Off-Whites on deck. We're going to get into a detailed review and an on-feet, so stay tuned for that on-feet at the end of the video. I'm sorry, I had to open up the box, look at them. Before I get into the review, we're going to talk about something that's really cool, guys. Take a look. It's called Untitled. Alright, Untitled is an upcoming company right now. Basically, what it is, it's a sole protector. So, you know, they come like this, have your size and which shoe you guys are looking to protect. But I'm definitely telling you, man, I used Untitled before. One of the best companies right now. This has a vinyl on it that is good. Got some real nice quality. I'm actually going to do these right here. Even though the Jordan 1 sole is not icy or anything. But you know what? If you still want to keep them fresh, man, we're about to put these on this shoe right now. This one is for... We're doing the right shoe. Let's do the right shoe. Real basic how to do this, guys. All you got to do, you just put it on it. Look at that. And you just got to just flatten it out. Real nice. So this is one that's not done, and this one's the one that's done. All shoe protectors information will be in the description below. You can purchase all your shoe protectors. Definitely check them out, man. These things work well. I'm telling you, man, they work really good. Let's get into this review of these Air Jordan 1s Off-Whites. These are nice. These is definitely a summertime shoe. The colors is UNC, real nice. Before anything, got my receipt right here. Comes in a box like this. As you guys can see here, it's cut like in a square. When you lift it up like this, you could actually see inside, and you can see the shoe. Take a look at the lid. Under there, you got your plastic, like I said, where you can see through. Does come with 3 laces. Your baby blue laces, and it does say shoelaces on the laces. And then you got your orange one that says shoelaces on it, of course. And you do have the white ones that come with the shoe. They also say shoelaces. What I also like packaging on the shoe, guys, is that it comes with a plastic, as you can see. You can see it got writing on it. It says Off-White from Nike Air Jordan 1 Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. We do have the zip tie. The zip tie is in red. On the zip tie, it does say Off-White. Alright, now in the front of the toe, as you can see, we got your UNC blue. Does have the white stitching to give it that nice pop. Now, over here in the front of the toe, this material here, I don't know. It's kind of like a canvas kind of material. You got your white laces. You got your nylon on the tongue. Your Nike Air branding right there in that orange. Does come with a tag over here that says Made in China. Take a look at the swoosh. We got the extra big swoosh. It's in leather. It's in that UNC blue. Do got your wing with the basketball, and it does say Air Jordan in white and 85 behind the wings of the shoe. So you open this side, you open this side, 85. That's what's up. I like that. And you do have your orange stitching right here with your off-white tannish kind of color. Now on the medial side, it does have, you know, the Off-White branding right there. It does say Off-White for Nike Air Jordan 1 Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. Take a look. The leather, it's alright. You know, it's not that good. It's stiff leather, but back just splits. You got your split right there where it comes to leather on the inner. This is like a Durbuck, Nubuck kind of material on the side right here in that tan. You got your Nike Air in black. You got your inner sole in white, and you do have these rigids. A close up of that. Look inside. You see it got like little rigids on the inner sole. Maybe that's for comfort. I don't know. Now, bottom of the shoe, all blue. Nike Air branded in the bottom. Nothing special. Just got your UNC blue. Dope shoe. The Air Jordan 1 Off-White UNCs. We about to get into this on feet. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? They released them early. They're going to come back out again. And they're going to come back out, I think, on June 25th, if I'm not mistaken. This is the one that we have the shoe protector on. But all you guys out there, I suggest Go give Shootector a follow on Instagram, and also don't forget to go cop yourself some Shootectors to protect those souls. Thank you guys. All Shootectors information will be in the description, where you guys can go follow them on Instagram, and you can purchase your Shootectors on shootector.com. So all the information will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and remember guys, follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I make videos like this. Let me know what you guys think. It's your boy DS Dan, and I'm gone.
That slick mix, nigga. That secret sauce, nigga.
Been busy focused trying to stack up. Talk to me, come pick the pack up. Bro niggas trying to rappers. Bro bitches trying to attack us. Been busy focused trying to stack up. Talk to me, come pick the pack up. Bro niggas trying to rappers. Bro bitches trying to attack us. You can find plenty niggas in the city, but I guarantee you nothing like me. You can find plenty niggas in the city, but I guarantee you nothing like me. I know you can go snatch another soul, but they ain't nothing like me. I know you can go snatch another soul, they ain't nothing like me. You can find a hooper like KD, but I guarantee he can't play me. You can find a Steph Curry from deep, but I guarantee he's none like me. He can swag the old tune like Sway Lee, but you'll still wish you was with me. He can make you laugh like K-Hart, but he won't beat it up after dark. These niggas wanna fight me, they bitches like pie me. They want me in a wife, but I only want one night.